Hostile Cerberus inbound.
And I get shot in the fucking back. Oh, they got a fucking Cerberus.
Failing the Accord. Fight
Golly. Yeah. Whatever that shit is, I don't know what the fuck that shit is. I just know that shit killed my ass. Man.
Hostile Talon detected.
God.
Mission is a bolo. Get out of my sight.
Heading for Exfil.
Mess with the best, die like the rest.
Wow, 4 and 15. What the fuck? Oh man. What, you moved? Oh, damn. Oh, shit. I thought your ass was still in the berths. Shit, I moved to Indiana with my sister. Yeah, I'm in Indiana, man. It's quiet as fuck out here. Yeah. I'm thinking about getting my thinking about getting my conceal and carry this year.
Team deathmatch.
Watch and learn, brothers. This is the future combat.
Damn, if that's the future, I want no part of it.
Yeah, cause I ain't been to the range in a nice little minute. What you got anyway?
Get hostile.
Huh? What you got? You said you had a pistol on your head. What you got?
Threat neutralized.
Oh, okay. Huh? Oh. Them Ruger's got a lot of kick though.
Threat neutralized. Ruin done.
Yeah, man. Nah, it ain't the same. I shot a 38 and a what's the name? What's that shit called? I can't even think of what that shit is called, but it's a revolver. No, hell no, it wasn't no Magnum. That shit got crazy ass kick. I'm skinny as fuck. I can't handle that. That shit'll break my fucking arm off. You ever seen them videos of the motherfuckers shooting a shotgun with one hand? That's how that shit'll be for me.
Tango down.
Hell no. Shit. I ain't touching no fucking Magnum.
Confirming kill.
Yeah, I was hearing about this one dude I used to work with at Comcast. This motherfucker had some rounds called Dragon's Breath in a shotgun. It's like fucking fireball shooting out them motherfuckers.
Be advised. Hostile UAV incoming.
Oh, come on. This motherfucker steady knifing. Oh, come on, man. God. Where the fuck you come from?
It's down to this. Pick it up.
Shit, keep dying. Shit, especially a motherfucker with that damn knife. He be coming out of nowhere. Fast as hell. Oh, come on. That delayed ass shit. Man, that shit was delayed like a motherfucker.
Friendly UAV
die like the rest.
You gotta pee?
Showing your age right now.
Let me tell you something. How about the mic? You said what? Okay, I'm back down now. How you turn the TV off? How did you turn it off? Yeah, come on, I'm coming with you.
Mm.
What? Why you turn your TV off?
Team deathmatch.
We got this.
I'm legit. You know they gonna listen.
Oh, we back on this same map. Watch out, little bitch. Watch out, little bitch. Watch out, little bitch.
UAV inbound.
They all over here by the house. Damn, what the? I just ran into like 3 of them. Fuck. Come on now.
Threat neutral.
Hostile UAV incoming.
Oh, come on. Really? Really?